Hey YouTube and Mustang fans. Hey, check it out. I did a video a while back ago and never edited it. I just hate GoPro's editing software with a passion, and I'm even to this day I'm still not versed in it. So it's easier for me to just film on my phone, which these videos aren't too bad. The camera technology has gotten better over the years. So in any case, it's going to be a short one, and it's going to get straight to the point. So I bought this 2019 Mustang a year and a half ago, and within about 6 months, I noticed that there was this metallic rattling I thought was coming from underneath the car. Thought maybe it might have been some sheet metal for the exhaust, maybe kind of loose. Took it in, they couldn't find it, and it would only present itself kind of like when you're lugging the engine a little bit low. If you got the exhaust, I have active exhaust, so if the active exhaust is in race mode, it's loud. If you're cruising, you get this droning sound. Probably you can hear it right now. But when that happened, I would get this metallic rattling, almost like two pieces of sheet metal rattling together. Could not find the bitch until one day I was driving, and it always seemed like it was coming from in front of the gear shift, or in my case, the shifting selector, gear selector, right underneath the stereo or the head unit. Sorry guys. Which seemed like it was coming from like right around this area. So what I did, here I'll back this out, is I got this bright idea. Well, let's see what's underneath this radio, this stereo head. So I took out the bottom part. Well, actually, this whole part right here of the dash, where the gauges are, and it comes out pretty simply. You just gotta start from over there in the corner, pull, and if you guys need help with that, I can put that video up eventually. But long story short, when you take off this bezel, right underneath this display is a metal box attached to the head unit, or the stereo, or the infotainment center, and I assume that is some sort of maybe amplifier. It's something electronic, but the electronics are encased in this sheet metal box, which is attached to this guy. Okay, and so that's what was rattling. Those two pieces of metal were rattling against each other. So what I did is I took some dampening material. You can get it over at I don't know, Best Buy. It's the stuff they use for stereos, and it's just a sticky PVA, I guess it is. It's very tacky, and then when you put it on metal, it dampens vibrations, and you don't need a whole lot. So you just put it, I think I put it right in between the places, and there was actually a metal faceplate on this box. I put it there, sealed it back up, and no more vibrations. So if that's kind of like driving you guys crazy, and you can't figure out what that metallic vibration is, that's what it is. Now, I know this car has other little vibrations that I've kind of located and fixed. Not too bad, but that particular one, I mean, is this car falling apart? You know, is a piece of metal underneath the car hanging off? In any case, it wasn't. It was two pieces of sheet metal on that stereo unit that just needed to be dampened. So hope that helps. Leave comments if you guys need that other video where I take the thing apart. It took me like, I don't know, 10 minutes to take all that apart. I even think the center console, there's like a screw there that keeps it in. That has to come off so you can get the bezel off. You don't have to take the stereo out or anything like that. That all stays intact. It's just a matter of putting that dampening material in between all that metal that's vibrating together. So, over and out. Bye.